Om Sri Lakshmi Narsimhaya Namaha. Atharvasikha Upanishad. Om, O Devas, may we hear with our ears what is auspicious. May we see with our eyes what is auspicious. O, A worthy of worship, may we enjoy the terms of life allotted by the Devas, praising them with our body and limbs steady. May the glorious Indra bless us. May the all-knowing Sun bless us. May Garuda, the thunderbolt for evil, bless us. May Brahaspati grant us well-being. Om, let there be peace in me. Let there be peace in my environment. Let there be peace in the forces that act on me. I meditate on the ultimate truth, which explains the meaning of the sound Om, which shines as the fourth leg of Om, which is Turiya of Turiyas, a super divine state of oneness with God, which is beyond the three states of wakefulness, sleep, and dream, which enjoys being in the three legs syllabus and which is one and only one. Om. Chapter 1. 1. The sage Pipalada, Angirasa, and Sanat Kumara approached the great godlike sage Atharva Maharshi and asked him, O godlike sage, what is the chief aspect of meditation? What is the mantra, holy syllabus on which to meditate? Who can meditate? Who is the god of meditation? 2. The sage Atharva replied to them, mainly meditation has to be done on the single letter Om. It itself is the mantra for meditation. The four legs of the mantra are the four Devas and the four Vedas. The letter has to be recognized as Parabrahman, ultimate reality, and meditated upon. 3. The first syllabus, Ah, indicates earth. The Rig Veda, along with its holy chants. Brahma, the creator. Ashtavasus, among Devas. Gayatri, among meters. And Grahapatya, the fire of household, among fires. 4. The second syllable, U, denotes the ether. The Yajurveda, Rudra, who is the god of destruction. The 11 Rudras among Devas. Trishgup, among meters. And Dakshinagni, fire of the south, funeral cry, among the fires. 5. The third syllabus, Ma, indicates the heavens. Samaveda, with its musical sounds of Sama. Vishnu, who looks after the worlds, the 12 Adityas, sons, among Devas. Jagti Chanda, among meters. And Avagni, the fire used in sacrifice among the fires. 6. That half-fourth syllabus, which is the hidden Ma, is the magical chant of Atharva Veda. Samvataka, the fire of exchange, fire among fires. Marudganas, among Devas, it is the self-glittering Brahman, which shines alone and sees everything. 7. The first is the red Brahma, creative aspect. The second, the holy white Rudra, destructive aspect. The third, the black Lord Vishnu, the administrative aspect. And the fourth, which is like lightning, is the multicolored Purushottama, best among males. 8. This Omkara has 4 legs and 4 heads, that is fires. The fourth is the half-syllable sound of Mah, which is hidden. This is pronounced in a small short form, slightly extended form, Plutayaga, and much extended form. It is pronounced as Om with one mantra, Om in 2 mantras, and Om in the extended 3 mantras. Mantra is the unit of pronunciation. 9. The fourth peaceful half syllabus is hidden in the long extended pronunciation. It is the incomparable glitter of the soul. It is that soul which was never there and which will be never there. If not pronounced earlier but pronounced for the first time, it takes one via the Shushmana Nadi to the lotus with 1,000 petals. Sahasrara. Chapter 2. 1. The Pranava, the sound of Om, makes all the souls to bow before it. It is the one and only one which has to be meditated upon as the 4 Vedas and the birthplace of all Devas. One who meditates like that goes away from all sorrows and fears and get the power to protect all others who approach him. It is because of this meditation only that Lord Vishnu, who is spread everywhere, wins over all others. It is because Lord Brahma controlled all his organs and meditated upon it, he attained the position of the Creator. Even Lord Vishnu parks his mind in the sound Om of the place of Paramatma, ultimate soul, and meditates upon Ishana, who is most proper to be worshipped. All this is only proper in the case of Ishana. 2. Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, and Indra are creating all beings, all organs, and all karanas. They are also capable of controlling them. But Lord Shiva exists in between them like sky and is permanently stable. 3. It is advised that the five gods Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, Ishvara, and Shiva should be worshipped in the form of Pranava. Om. 4. Even if for 1 second, if one can stay and meditate on this, he gets more results than that of performing 100 fire sacrifices. With the full understanding and knowledge, one should only meditate on Paramashiva, which would give rise to all benefits. It is definite that by sacrificing all other things, the twice born should learn and understand this, and he would get rid of the suffering of living in the womb and attain salvation. Om, O Devas, may we hear with our ears what is auspicious, may we see with our eyes what is auspicious. O, A worthy of worship, may we enjoy the term of life allotted by the Devas, praising them with our body and limb steady. May the glorious Indra bless us. May the all-knowing Sun bless us. May Garuda, the thunderbolt for evil, bless us. May Brahaspati grant us well-being. Om. Let there be peace in me. Let there be peace in my environment. Let there be peace in the forces that act on me. Here ends the Atharvasika Upanishad, as contained in Atharva Veda. Om Sri Krishnarpanamastu.